just got the inner cover glue. See this right here? This guy's supposed to come out like this. So what we are going to do, we don't need this battery. So we're going to cut this battery out. Use the power from the car. So just I'll take the scissors, cut the whole shit like this, man. Some people keep the battery and put it there for whatever the name is, but with me, I don't want to keep the battery. I'm gonna cut this thing off and use the power from the car. So let's go ahead and take this off. So we're going to use the power from the car now. So stay to it. Okay, so we're going to run this from out here. I'm already done with the out, or whatever the name is, the outside part. You know what I did? I left a little plug right here. You see this thing? I'm going to plug the wire in there and run it into the car. So I keep this for future referencing, just in case I need it. I'm gonna use it, and now I need it today. We'll put this 2 wire up there and clip it and run it into the car. So stay to it. So now we are all set. As you can see, we run the uncover glue light both back and forth. So the bottom, you can see that? You come here, see? Now, you're gonna come to the front. The front is the same too. So you see? And let's go on the inside. Just connected this today, so we are going to try to find the switch. Where is the switch? Right here. See? This that one. If you want to change the color, you can hit on this. Actually, it's this color right here. See? So it's all set up. If you want to make your car look nice, like a Christmas tree, just hit me on Facebook, man. I'll do that shit for you, man. But that shit ain't free though.
Money over everything. All we